When you have a moment of inspiration, a spark, a vision, a dream, a question comes calling to you. How will you take that spark and let it illuminate your path?
Hi, my name is Rachel, and I'm a senior at the Yeshiva of Flatbush.
Rachel, I always knew her as the girl that had a great voice. Hi, my name is Lily.
Lily's a good example of what comes out of this school. Hi, I'm Mark. My friends would describe me as ambitious.
Hi, I'm Judah. I'm a 12th grader who spent his entire life in Yeshiva of Flatbush.
My name is Baruch.
Baruch has a lot of energy. He's so spirited.
We want to tell the story from our perspective, what this school is really about.
Yeah, we just getting started.
Academics are definitely one of my favorite parts about Flatbush. I'm in the honors class and I'm in academic teams like academic extracurriculars. Always loved public speaking, writing, English, history.
High school prepares you for the world. You develop a strong work ethic, and if someone needs extra help, no one falls through the cracks.
Everyone ends up developing these soft skills of determination, dedication, hard work, time management, leadership, collaboration. So Flatbush really makes it an option for you to choose whether you would like to pursue math and science, whether you want to pursue Judaic subjects.
Rabbis are always willing to help me. I've definitely connected with Rabbi Avi Harari. He makes time to learn Gemara on a personal level.
I get really inspired by the rabbis here.
It says, everyone walks around shul like this. What are you opening your hands for?
My Brit says Hashem Poteach, so that's interesting.
It's not you.
I learn Gemara and I get fired up.
It's challenging. That's good.
For me, learning Gemara is prepare myself for yeshiva.
What happens when my seniors become seniors is that they suddenly start taking on almost the role of being like mentors.
I love learning. I feel the need to understand everything.
The teachers and rabbis are so accessible here.
I have a question regarding freshman year. I had an amazing rabbi and it taught me that I was capable and it helps me strengthen my relationship with Hashem.
I fell in love with my Judaics, which is something that I didn't really feel before.
Being religious means being shomer Torah mitzvot kehalacha.
So the feeling that you have, you're not finished.
So even rabbis have this feeling like...
Definitely. But you come to school in order to understand how to learn. Being on the path to being the best me that I could be.
Because of my relationship with these Judaic studies teachers, I do love Judaism and I love Shabbat and holidays.
It's great that we have so many clubs and sports teams in Flatbush. This helps you to find out what you are passionate about.
I'm on the school newspaper. The newspaper won awards for being greatest Jewish newspaper for like 9 years in a row. It feels so professional, all the programs in the clubs.
So I'm really involved in the performing arts. I've been singing for Witness Theater and choir since freshman year. I always make sure that I have the time and the energy to give it my all.
We have a fully loaded professional music and podcast studio. I started a podcast. You can really make it happen here. Lily joined the art club as I've seen Paid for Impact. She mentioned Paid for Impact for you. She's awesome.
I really love the opportunities here to give back. I founded a nonprofit organization called Paint for Impact. I love art, I love creativity, and to do something good and give back to the community. This painting is going to be donated to charity.
The Chesed mission, it's the best experience you're going to get in Flatbush.
You'll make so many friends beyond your grade.
When I first came into Flatbush, I was a little bit more shy.
In 9th grade, I was very worried.
I think Flatbush helped me because I got really surrounded by good people. It's just like good vibes.
All these rabbis, they taught me how to become a mensch. They really inspire me every day.
My Talmud teacher really made an effort to care about me as an individual. The faculty, your fellow students, they're invested in each student's personal growth.
Israel is everything here. You walk through the commons and you look up, like screaming, "We love Israel."
Israel advocacy is something so important to me.
I see Israel as a part of my future, and I'm excited to spend a year learning in Israel after graduation.
I want to pursue something like political science. I plan to go to law school.
I'm interested in environmental science.
I meet with the college guidance counselor regularly
so that I can know where I want to even start my path for college.
Pathfinders helped me get a finance internship. I'm able to be involved in investment and finance. This is like real world stuff.
There's not just one path that it takes you down. There's different options of ways you can grow, resources you can gain, friends you can make. You can make your path. You can make your journey through high school. It's yours.
You come out smarter, become more like a refined man from this school. It's something to be thankful for that I come to this school every day.
This school kind of like fuels passions, brings the good out in people.
They say it's 4 years for the rest of your life.
4 years for the rest of your life, even though it's the corniest saying, but the friends you make here and the people you get to meet, it's relationships that you'll be able to take with you forever.
If you have anything that you want to do or don't even know what you want to do, they'll help you figure it out. That's what actually the whole faculty is for, to help you figure out what you like. Flappers is the place for you because they're going to have the thing that you like and they're going to make you an expert in them. You can find yourself here and you can grow in any way that you want to grow.